In today's business world, employees are considered the cornerstone of any successful organization. Ignoring this fact leads to the creation of an unhealthy work environment characterized by stress and psychological pressure, which could ultimately result in counterproductive outcomes for the organization. When management treats its employees poorly, it establishes a toxic environment that negatively affects productivity and creativity, and may lead to the loss of valuable talents. Nevertheless, some managements may find themselves in a position that forces them to reassess their approach to dealing with employees, especially when needing to achieve specific goals, or during challenging times that require the concerted efforts of the entire team. This shift in treatment, though important, should not be temporary or superficial, but should be part of a radical and sustainable change in the workplace culture within the organization. The employee is the backbone of any profession and must be valued and respected not just as a worker within the system, but as an individual with valuable and influential contributions. Research shows that employees who feel appreciated and respected are more productive and creative, which directly benefits the company or organization. One of the most important paths to success is creating a positive work environment that encourages personal and professional growth for employees. Management must distance itself as much as possible from creating a toxic environment based on fear and intimidation as tools of control, as these methods lead to counterproductive results. Instead, a culture of transparency, support, and encouragement should be promoted, where employees feel an integral part of the organization's overall success. In conclusion, managements must recognize that poor treatment of employees is not only unethical, but also impractical. Investing in a positive and supportive work environment is the optimal path to ensure success and sustained prosperity for any organization. Job stability and a positive work environment are among the most important factors contributing to employees' retention and loyalty to the organization. Conversely, managers who adopt a poor treatment approach toward their employees then resort to improving this treatment when needed, only to revert to their previous methods once the need disappears, exemplify poor management. This approach only leads to creating a cycle of distrust and resentment in the work environment. Managers must realize that employees have a strong memory for events, especially those that affect their morale and personal dignity. Poor treatment, even if temporarily improved, is not easily forgotten. Employees exposed to such methods are always on the lookout for the next opportunity to leave. And often, the main reason for their desire to depart is the poor behavior of the manager. Sudden or collective resignations of employees are often a clear indicator of a problem in management. Managers who do not learn from these signals and continue to adopt negative management methods ultimately find themselves facing difficulties in maintaining a stable and productive workforce. Therefore, managers should work on building relationships based on mutual respect and genuine appreciation for each employee's contributions, recognizing mistakes and working to correct them, and adopting a management style that encourages openness and transparency can help create a healthy work environment that encourages employees to stay and grow within the organization.